The beach is a perfect background for any type of portraits. It's a great location for family photography. Kids can run and play in the sand. Usually, they love it. You will have the chance to take a lot of photos of happy kids. The best time to take pictures on the beach is in the morning or at dusk, nothing in between. Those two times have the best lighting and might be a little less crowded if you are at a busy beach. Plus, it's often a little cooler so that you can avoid those unfortunate sweat marks. Either time period works well, but definitely pick the one that your crew will be happiest, especially if young children are involved. So, planning to take family portraits in the beach? Then, here are the best poses for your inspiration. With these poses, you can turn your beach photography from normal regular snaps into stunning landscape portraits or natural shots. If you like this video, please like and share. Do subscribe to Allied Studio Wall for more updates.